Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. This tutorial will guide you through setting up a BTT Pi. Firstly, you need to set up an internet connection on the BTT Pi. If you use an Ethernet cable, no additional setup is required. If you set up Wi-Fi, insert the micro SD card into your computer. Under your SD card drive, there is a file named system.cfg. Open it with Notepad, replace Wi-Fi SSID with the actual Wi-Fi name, and password with the actual password. Once completed, insert the card back into the BTT Pi. Next, power on the BTT Pi, connect it to your 3D printer, and optionally plug in the camera. You can get the access code from the barcode sticker on the BTT Pi. To connect your BTT Pi with Cloud 3D Print software, simply enter the access code from either the device page or Setup Wizard page. Now your BTT Pi is configured for the Cloud 3D Print system. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.